What's up, everybody? I have decluttered my bedroom and I'd like to take you on a tour. I have my door frame pull-up bar. I have two clotheslines. I do hang dry most of my clothes. I have some of my organic cotton t-shirts. I just hang them on the hangers. And I have south-facing window. So when I wake up in the morning, I will actually remove this curtain, this blackout curtain. I put these grommets in the corner of the curtain and you can just hang them right on these hooks. It's gonna get dark, just like so. And then that'll black out the light. And then I just use masking tape to hold down the curtain. I have my heavy duty dip station right here. This is an X Mark dip station from Amazon. They cost $200. I've got these sliders under the dip station so I can move this around to clean under my floor. I do like a clean house, so I clean in here about once a week. I have two bath towels, 100% cotton, and basically my system is when I take a shower in the morning, either after I wake up or work out, I hang dry one towel. Then in the evenings when I take another shower before bed, I have a dry towel waiting for me. And then I will just rotate back and forth. And I just keep my towels here all the time. I have no towel drawer for these towels. And I wash those about once a week. I have my bed. This is a twin XL, 100% rubber mattress. The brand of the bed is Sleep On Latex. I have organic cotton sheets. I have buckwheat holes inside of my pillow. It's a cotton canvas pillow that you can fill and empty out the buckwheat holes so you can get the right height. I love this pillow. And then I have a 100% organic cotton sleeping mask. Dream Essentials is the brand. You can get that on Amazon. Cotton blanket. And I used to have a nightstand here. Got rid of that. Don't really need it. I got rid of my dresser and replaced it with these cardboard boxes that fit under my bed. And I have shorts, a couple pair of cotton socks, pants. Everything I wear is 100% organic cotton. I did away with the synthetic materials, and I also did away with all of my plastic containers and storage containers because they stink. You can smell the toxic chemicals in a plastic container, so I just get cardboard boxes. They're free and they don't stink. Here is another box. This is more storage than I really need. I have some cotton shorts. I have my dish towels. These are the towels I put on the floor in my bathroom for my feet. Underwear. And I have box number 3. I think this would be enough space for 2 people, really. Just depends on how many clothes you both have. So this is just my blankets and my sheets. And that is basically all I really need inside my bedroom. I do have over here my small efficient fan, and I have these boxes. I order this Kicking Horse coffee by the case. This actually does have a full thing of coffee. It's 6 bags of coffee. This one, I like to reuse these boxes. Has my winter socks. These are my Darn Tough wool socks for the cold season. Eventually, I will become a minimalist and start a travel vlog. That is my plan here. But in the meantime, I am selling everything and just downsizing. This feels really good. So that's my system for my clothesline. I use paracord, and I just screwed a J-hook into the wall. You tie a bowline knot on one end, and then you tie a hitch knot on the other end, which will pull the tension nice and tight. That's all there is to my bedroom. This feels really good. I would encourage everybody to just go through your things, get rid of stuff you don't need. Now, I do plan on downsizing to 2 backpacks. I'm gonna do some traveling. I don't see a problem with having a nice little wood nightstand, maybe having a nice little wood stand over here. But right now, less is more for me. Okay, am I truly a minimalist? Let's take a look at the closet. No, I'm not. The truth comes out. I am working on it though. This is really what I've got going on. I am basically selling all of this stuff. I'm labeling everything with these sticky notes, and I'm reselling these shoes. That's like I'm storing light bulbs in there. This is gonna be my travel gear. But these are clothes I'm selling on eBay. More clothes I'm selling on eBay. This is actually my laundry basket. I got rid of the plastic laundry basket. Now I just use a cardboard box. And these are things all labeled, like that's paper towels and toilet paper, first aid stuff. Eventually I'm getting rid of all this. These are wooden boxes that I made. This is what they look like. I made a bunch of these, so I'm selling these on Facebook right now. Some lady's gonna pick this one up. I'm selling these for 10 bucks. I like the woodworking. I'd like to get a wood shop someday, but this is just more stuff I'm either gonna give away or sell. So this is just all stuff I don't need. I'm not keeping any of these clothes, but that is where I hide the truth. It's a work in progress, but I gotta say, this feels so good in here. So I would encourage everybody to go through your things, try to just get rid of something. You don't need to get this extreme, but just, it feels liberating to get rid of things. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I hope you guys like this kind of content, and peace.